Guys, I'm going to withdraw this. You can see that we have 3,000 naira here. I'm going to withdraw it just to show you that this platform is working. You understand? So let's click withdraw. Then they will charge you 50% of whatever you are withdrawing from this website, and their withdrawal process is very fast. So let's withdraw. So it's pending. Let's wait to receive the alert. You understand? So you can see the alert have entered because they deduct 50% of the 3,000 that I minus. So the alerts have dropped. You can check the time. It dropped at 12:53. Let's go back to the website. You can see it it has been confirmed that it has been withdrawn. See it here. See it here. This was the one that I withdrawn this morning just to be sure before making this video. Just see it here. You understand? Guys, is another paying update that was just launched yesterday. Yes, it is paying. If you're seeing this video, you are just lucky seeing this video because yes, I withdrew this morning and I'm going to withdraw in this video for you to guys to see that I'm not joking. This site was launched yesterday and withdrawal process are very fast. You can withdraw every day. You just need 3,000 naira investment only. It's an investment platform. You don't need to refer, you don't just invest. They have investment plan like for starting from 3,000 naira down to 360,000 naira. So I'll advise you to choose the plan that you can afford and invest. And as it is new now, it is still paying. I'll advise you is to join now. Why? It is still new. You understand? Like they say, the first group of people that join will earn more before it crashes. So I'll advise you to join now. Also, that will be giveaway here. Just tell me how many times you see this subscribe button here. How many times you see it on this video. The first person that got it right, I will be sending you 1,000 naira airtime just to appreciate you. Just watch till the end. I know how many subscriber as in this subscriber you see. You understand? So that just it. And also, if it is the first time of coming across my channel, please like, comment, subscribe to my channel because this channel I don't do clickbait. Anything that I'm making money from is what I will teach you. You make your own money. There is nothing like clickbait here. You understand? So if you're old subscriber, please comment where you're watching me from and how you got to know about my channel. I might send you something. You never know. I remember our giveaway is coming up next week. Kindly, stay active and watch till the end. You understand? So let's dive into this video. Let me show you how you are going to register, how you are going to deposit, how you are going to invest and start earning immediately. You understand? Why not stay tuned and watch till the very end? So all you have to do is to click the link that will be on the description area or on the comment section, pin post of this comment section. All you have to do is to click the link, then it will bring you here. You put your email, your phone number, your password, confirm your password, then you register. You understand? Once you register, it will bring you here. Once you register, it will bring you here. Once it bring you here, it will give you once you register, they will give you 600 naira bonus, registration bonus. Then you click here, click this deposit. Once you click the deposit, then if it is 3,000 that you want to invest, you put 3,000. If it is 5,000 you want to invest, just write the amount you want to invest. If it is 10,000, just any amount you want to invest, input it there. Then you click submit. Once it clicks submit, copy this account number here. Click here and copy. Once you copy it, you minimize and go to your either opay you are using. If you're opay user, you go to your opay, you make your payment. Once you make your payment, all you have to do is to click this I have paid. Once you click it, your your money will be pending. They will confirm it. Once they confirm it, it will be here. You will see it here. Sorry. Once they confirm it, you will see it here. You will see it here. 3,600 if it is 3,000 that you invested. You see 3,600. If it is 5,000, you see 5,600, depending on the money you invested. Then if it is 5,000, 3,000 that you invested, you come here and click invest now so that it will start reading. You get. So after 18 hours, they will credit you 900 plus that 600 that they gave you as welcome bonus. It will be 1,500, which you can withdraw the next morning. You understand? Which you can withdraw the next morning. If it is 5,000, they will give you 1,500 after 18 hours. If it is 10,000, they will give you 3,000. If it is 20,000, they will give you 6,000. So know the investment you want to make, and you make after you have done, and you have money that you want to withdraw. You want to withdraw money, you will click here, withdraw. Once you click it, then you put an amount that you want to click. You see their withdrawal time 8 o'clock to 9 o'clock p.m. and minimum withdrawal is 1,000. Once your money is 1,000 or more, you can now withdraw, and they will charge 15% of whatever you are withdrawing from here. You understand? And their withdrawal process doesn't take up to 2 minutes. It will drop in your account instantly. You understand? So that's just it. Click the link on description area or pin comments on the comment section and join now. It is the investment platform that was launched yesterday and which is new. It is still paying. You can join and earn. You get. So that's all. Please subscribe if you have not subscribed to this point. Like and comment. Thank you.